Hi friends, welcome back to my other Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create smooth and blemish-free skin from a photo in Photoshop. Before begin, don't forget to subscribe my channel below. And give this tutorial a big thumbs up. Let's open Photoshop CC. Double click and select this image and hit open. Cool. You can see lot of blemishes, wrinkles, acne clearly visible on the face. So let's get started. First of all I duplicate this layer by Ctrl J. Then right click on copied layer and select convert to smart object. Rename it as color by double click on this layer. Perfect. Now again duplicate this layer by Ctrl J. Rename it as texture by double click. Hide the top texture layer. Now select the second layer and go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Adjust the blur radius by depending on the image size and resolution. In my case radius 9 is enough, and press OK. Unhide the top layer and select the layer. Then go to Filter, Other, High Pass. Here also radius value is depending on your image size and resolution. Here I select the radius value to 1 pixels. Finally it will look like this. And press OK. Now blending mode to vivid light. Perfect. Now select these two layers by Shift key. And press Ctrl G for group. Now hold Alt button and hit on Add Mask option. Go to Brush tool and change the flow value to 50%. Zoom the image by Ctrl plus. Then change the foreground color to white. Here I am using close bracket to increase the brush size. And using open bracket to decrease the brush size. Now brushing on these blemishes and skin like this. Now the time to see the final result. Thank you and need your support.